5 seconds to go. Start. Money is one of the common factors that binds all people together. Every country runs its own currency, which is accepted as a medium of exchange in lieu of any goods or service taken. Metal or paper is monetized into coins and notes, thus rendering them as legal mode of payment. But what when this process is reverted? It is called demonetization. Demonetization is the act of stripping or discontinuing a currency into and unit of its status as legal. It usually occurs when there is a change in currency by the government. During the implementation of this policy, the currency that has lost its legal status is deposited with banks and replaced with currency that is still valid. From time to time, government formulates policies that are meant to spur economic growth. A lot of money that circulates in the society is not accounted for, as the source is not known to the government. Therefore, to get control of the unaccounted money, government can demonetize so that all those holding such money are forced to deposit it with the bank. A lot of countries have tried demonetization, and while it worked well for some countries, it did not work for others. For example, introduced new currency and banned the old notes in 1984. Its economy, however, collapsed after this, as it was debt-ridden and high on inflation. Similarly, in Myanmar, military invalidated around 80% value of money to curb black market. The decision led to economic disruption, which in turn led to mass protests that killed many people. India faced its first demonetization in 1946 and second one in 1978. On both the occasions, the reason was to combat black money that went circulating wide and large. On 8th November 2016, India witnessed its third phase of demonetization, wherein Prime Minister Narendra Modi banned rupees 500 and rupees 1000 currency notes with immediate effect. The government's stated objectives behind the demonetization policy are: it is an attempt to make India corruption free. It is done to curb black money, to control escalating price rise, to stop funds flow to legal activity, to make people accountable for every rupee they possess and pay income tax return. Finally, it is an attempt to make a cashless society and credit a digital India. If we analyze, there is a background to the current decision of demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupee notes. The government took few steps in this direction much earlier by giving people a chance if they are guilty. As a first step, the government had urged people to create bank accounts under Jan Dhan Yojana. The second step was that the government initiated tax declaration of the income and had given 30th October 2026 as deadline for this purpose. It is after this the government announced the demonetization of rupees 500 and 1000 currency notes to tackle the people who still hoarded the black money. Demonetization is not easy for any country's economy. It has its own share of hits and misses which affects every citizen. The demonetization policy is being seen as a financial reform in the country, but this decision is fraught with its own merits and demerits. It will help the governing body to track black money. The move forced the individuals to deposit all their money with the bank, and any money which is not deposited with the bank is considered waste and will also curb the movement of illegal money supply, resulting in terrorism and corruption. Without cash in hand, it gets difficult for fraudulent people to indulge in any unlawful activity. The prohibition on high regard money will in like manner check the threat of money laundering. By and large, such development can without a doubt be taken after any compensation charge division can catch such people who are involved in the art of money laundering. With banning of rupees 500 and 1000 notes, the currency and country moved one step towards digitalization. In the age where almost every person uses a mobile phone, the concept of online wallets came out to be very successful. Online wallet refers to an electronic device that allows an individual to make electronic transactions. This can include purchasing items online with a computer or using a smartphone to purchase, sometimes at a store. An individual's bank account can also be linked to the digital wallet. In absence of rupees 500 and 1000 notes, people used e-wallets to make payments. It started with transactions that involved rupees 500 and above, but gradually people became so used to this concept that they started using this mode of payment for as less as 10 also. Many local tea vendors were also seen accepting cash through e-wallets. The announcement of the demonetization of the currency has caused huge inconvenience to the people. Cash crunch became a major problem due to the inavailability and unavailability of small currency demonetizations. It became an issue that made it difficult to make small purchases, and people had to go through a really tough time. Sudden news of demonetization came as an inconvenience and annoyance to the public. The government removed certain demonetizations of bank notes from circulation but kept others. Further, queuing up in banks to deposit money or exchange currency became a great hassle for people. Many people came into a panic mode and were not able to cope up with this sudden change. Economic growth also experienced a slowness phase due to business disruptions. Even though it was for a short period, but it came as a great challenge for businessmen. Many poor daily wage workers were left with no jobs, and their daily income had stopped because employers were unable to pay their daily wage. Although people have adopted the new currency notes, it caused a monetary financial crisis for everyone. The 2000 rupees note is a burden on the people as no one likes to do transactions with such high value currency. Some critics even think that it will only help people to use black money more easily in future. Even a small change in the value of everyday times or even a small amount of confusion about cause whether a currency is valid can cause a lot of hardship. Stop.